Hi friends, welcome to Saral Trader. We will do end of the day review for first 12th of January 23. This is S&P 500 daily chart. If you look, we got the buy signal here on Saral 1 system, and then we had a major sell-off, but we took the support at the trend line, and we are slowly moving up. And today, this is almost third day we went up, and we made a high of 4022. As per the Saral VIX level, we were within the range, the VIX levels that we published in the morning today. Now, this is in a bullish zone. If you look at the Saral 2 system also, we got a signal here, and then it went up on support resistances 40. It is this trend line is support, and now even pivot 1, pivot this is trailing above the pivot 2 and 3. So this is a bullish setup now. Now possibly before we go up, we may take a rest. We can fizzle down here. We will see how it behaves. Nobody knows how markets will end up, but the setup is bullish and it's getting stronger as per the price action. If you look at the smaller time frame on the continuous charts, we got the signal here for an hour, which we took, if you remember, and we took our profits off. And then there was a very big move, even in this whole choppiness today when the news came in. We got the exit here, and then within the next hour itself, it became bullish, and that's what it is trading right now. And we will follow the system. Whatever system you are trading, you must follow it. I use 1 hour system and generally daily system. So that is what I'm bullish on. I'm currently positioned bullish on S&P 500. If you look at Nasdaq was is also now very bullish. There is a continuous upward trend. This is where some people entered. The first target is almost done. Now we this is a second target, so half profit should be taken here. The length of this candle was the first target, which is already achieved, and now it's sailing up. The most bullish index was RTY, and RTY definitely is in a major uptrend. It created a up signal here, and then for 2 3 days it went up, and then it's going up. I had a long position in it, which I booked because I had too many positions. I wanted to take some off, so I took my position off. Early position I took off because yeah, I mean, it was a little emotional decision because my overall position size was becoming pretty big, but that's what it is. I am out of it now. So overall, in the daily time frames, RTY is looking a little stretched. We may have a retracement somewhere, and then we go up. But the setup is bullish. We really don't know what's going to happen. We will follow the price action. We'll look at some of the call. I made a video on two small cap stocks, Taste and Neo, low price stocks. So from the buy, from the level 1.5, it is now almost up 30%. Taste is up 30%. I added some position yesterday and now it is up 20%. So, I will take some positions off. So this worked out very well. I mean, very well in the sense that it was out of long consolidation that this ultimately broke out. So there might be more follow-up buying coming in, and we'll see more movement. I was trying to buy some calls for two, strike price two. I couldn't get them. Our other open call is BBD. So BBD again is in a consolidation. It is finding major resistances at 2.296 and 3 level. That's where it has been for a while, a long time. It has worked there. So it again made it try intraday. I bought more. I was thinking it will break out. Once it breaks out and closes above 3.05, we may see a very sharp, quick short covering or long build-up moves, taking it to 3.3, 3.4 kind of a setup. That is what I'm expecting. Um, Initiated a long position in Intel. Uh, Intel, I'm expecting a very major breakout, and then there is a triangle pattern that is being formed here. And this triangle breakout targets are coming to around 38, 35 to 38. So we have created a position using options. You can buy, if you want to know more about how we have created the position, you can follow us and take a 30-day free trial of our service. Our open trade PFE Pfizer is selling well. I think we took out all the profits. So if you have not taken out the profit, you might like to look at taking profits here. Apple. See, Apple, if you see, definitely is looks like for now the downtrend might be over until we close below 125. So this position, which level which was broken, now this support has again become a predominant support and now it is going up. Now we have resistance as 135. If this resistance is taken, we will see 137, 138, and then possibly 140 can come in. If you look at, it is definitely a reversal happening. We didn't It didn't react as much as it should have reacted today, expecting moving up. So this is a concern why it didn't move, but we'll see. But this is getting bullish, and I am positioned bullish on this. Tesla, sorry guys, Tesla is still, we will take any trade only when it crosses above this pivot level, pivot 2. Then we will see Amazon. Amazon, very good price action. For last 2-3 days, it has made a significant move from 87 to almost 95, almost 10%, 10% move in last 3 days. It's finding resistance at pivot 3. Now, I already have a long position in it, a small, position, but we'll see if we add, and then, this pivot 1 has crossed over pivot 2. So that is giving a bullish indication, and this has happened after significant fall. It fell from 146 to almost 81, which was a 60, 40, 45% fall. So we may see, and let's see what patterns are doing here. So we have a falling wedge that has broken out. Yeah, definitely. I mean, I will wait to add to a position. I will, if I add to a position, it will be through or some other. And in Apple on shorter time frames, on Apple, I just wanted to mention on Apple on shorter time frame, if you see of half an hour, yeah, sorry, 1 hour, we'll see if you're looking at external. Yeah, there is a possibility that we may retrace lower and then we move up. Definitely, right now it is bullish only, and we will see charts of Kimberly-Clark. Kimberly-Clark, guys, is really frustrating. It's not falling, neither it's going up. So I will continue to hold my short position in cash options. I'm in a worthless now. Mondelez, similar structure, frustrating structure we can call it, but it's going better. KO, KO has Coca-Cola has gone down. Hitting. I've taken out some profits. I will wait for taking out more profits. This may make a move till 60, 58, 59 kind of a level. Yeah, very slow moving stocks. I mean, I should be very careful. And then other long position is in Dominion. So Dominion is a very large utilities company in the East Coast in Virginia. I used to live there earlier. So it is moving well. We took our position somewhere here and it's moving well. I think a slow, steady move will be coming there. So position is intact. Um, it's in Tesla. Meta. Let's see what's happening in Meta. Meta is, yeah, there is no position in Meta here. Google. Hmm. So Google is getting, yeah, it's getting consolidating. It's the base formation is over. Now if someone, yeah, I will try and create a long position if everything falls in place. I will watch it for some more time before I do that. Neo. So ever since we discussed Neo, I gave this call along with the taste discussion, the TST. So it is moving well. It has already moved from 1061 to 1176, almost 10%. And now this is at a critical level. It is above all three key pivots, very close to the resistance, rectangle resistance it was facing for some time. And then, there is a falling wedge or a trend line coming in here. If you look at the patterns, uh, it doesn't show a triangle pattern, but in my opinion, there is a triangle pattern also forming. So once if we are able to close above, successfully above 12 or 13, 12.5 to 13, we close above this level, 13.11, we may see a sharp move in some time till 16 to 18. I am positioned long with the June calls here in this particular position. We'll see gold continuous future chart, massively bullish. It crushed my short position. My stops have been taken. I mean, gold has never suited me personally. Let's see crude oil. Crude is struggling back. Now it's in, I mean, it's a no trade zone for me, frankly speaking. So BBD, Neo, 10. Let's see what happened to 10-year Treasury yield. So I exited my position here, and as a signal had reversed, and it's going down steadily. It will continue to go down, until something changes. Let's see. New Zealand dollar futures. Again, my short position was crushed. I was stopped out, and it's going long. Now, this is a good signal. It's a very reliable signal in this setup. It can go further up. Now, wheat. So, guys, I had a position in wheat. Now, this position was completely hedged with in the money options for the next series, which was 60 days out. So now I have taken my puts off, take booking full profits in them, and I rolled over my puts to the near expiry. Now, my hope was, I was thinking that this will go down and break this support, but to my surprise, it actually gave a massive bullish kicker signal on a hourly chart and even a half-hour chart, signaling that some lot of buying interest was coming in here. And now this has become bullish in the sense that this is for the third time. This there was first time here, second here. This support is really becoming a wall now. Until we close below 715, uh, we this will remain bullish. I created a options position and I have kind of covered it. It gave me good profit. I have locked in my profit. If it this closes above, so there are two possibilities now. If this support holds, we make another dash to first to pivot 2, which is 760 kind of a level. And if we don't find, because it has found resistances here at this pivot 2 level. Now there is a possibility. This is a bullish candle pattern. If you see, this close is very bullish. Now this length of this candle is 722 to 747, 25 points. Now the first target will be 25 points. So we are looking at a target of around 767 should be the first target. And if it stabilizes there, then the further move can come where it will find more resistance here. And the volumes today were also good. I don't personally track volumes. It's irrelevant in my system, but still, the volumes were very high today on wheat charts. So wheat you can go long using futures. There are micro futures also. The symbol is XW, and there are also cash items like wheat is the ETF. Now let's quickly see some in. Yeah, I think we have looked everything. I am still looking for a regional bank stock. So if you have any recommendations that we can look into, let us know. And keep watching our videos. You can subscribe to our channel and happy trading. Thank you. Bye. Bye bye.